everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing, but this is a new unboxing that I haven't done before, which you will be seeing more on this channel. As I have said before, I am currently an ESL teacher and I used to be an elementary school teacher, so literacy, books, and all those things are very important to me. So needless to say, we have a lot of books in our home, but there is a specific kind of books that we have started collecting over the years, and that is Usborne Books and More. So I decided to become a consultant for them and have some parties and be able to spread the gift of literacy to everyone that I know and hopefully some new people as well. So I purchased the new fall mini kit. So that was $30, and I get some books in here along with a $15 credit to use on books after my first party, which is coming up soon. So I wanted to show you what was inside the new mini consultant box, since they just switched out the books that they offer. So some of you may not have seen these before if you are currently a consultant or you are thinking about becoming a consultant. You can see what books you get in this mini kit. So in here it says the mission statement: the future of our world depends on the education of our children. We deliver educational excellence one book at a time. We provide economic opportunity while fostering strong family values. We touch the lives of children for a lifetime. Just so true. So they have a lot of different categories of books, so I will try and showcase as many as I can so you can kind of get a better look at the kinds of books that Usborne has to offer. So let's open up the box. I can get it open. Let's see. All right. So I think everything's here. Okay, so we have this key kind of looking thing here, but you kind of string it around. So I'm going to unravel it here. I've seen these before with like math facts, and so the kids will have to kind of string it around to match what the answer is. So these are just key to product knowledge. So just kind of some different things that they offer for the different types of books, like the wipe clean books, predicting, step-by-step, hands-on learnings, just kind of a fun little activity to do. So this first one that it came with is My Year of Writing, Be Creative Every Day. So it has 55 creative writing activities. I think this will be a great one for my oldest daughter, who's almost 8. She loves to write and make up her own stories, so we might actually be busting into this summer. It's kind of why I want to do this, just with summer. Getting some new books in the house, new activity books, things for her and our 3-year-old to do this summer. So like it says, what is your favorite type of weather and what do you enjoy most about it? So just kind of different prompts that you can ask your kids. This is obviously a smaller notebook, so if your kids need a bigger notebook, you could just get a notebook at the dollar store, and that could just kind of be their summer or year-long writing activity. So I'm excited for that one. And then here is the next one called Words of Wisdom Postcards. So it has 50 postcards that you can color, pull out, and share. I feel like I love getting cards. I love getting mail, but I feel like writing cards, postcards is kind of a thing of the past. But this is going to be a great opportunity for our daughter to write to friends or to a family. Just kind of a nice thing to do. So there's a couple in here. So that's fun, a unique activity to do. Here's another one called Going to School. We have the Going to the Doctor book, and I like how it kind of is different levels for reading with your kids, or if your kids are independent readers, they can read the bottom on their own. So there we go. I'll try and do another video showing here of a closer look of these books. There's that one. This one is Yoga Animals in the Forest. I love yoga. My girls like to do, what is it called? Cosmic Kids yoga on YouTube. She does different themes like trolls and Frozen and all those things. So they kind of get to move their bodies, and we did that a lot when we were staying home a lot last year. So that was kind of our movement break for the day. So it says jump, stretch, balance, breathe, and relax with the animals. So it kind of shows you the different moves, but you're doing it like different animals. That's super fun. Something that we can do throughout the year. So there's that one. Here's another one. Comparisons, big and small. How the world measures up. So a lot of these are books that I have never heard of. So talking about weather and dinosaurs, the changing seasons. So just a lot of good information. Our girls love animals and things like that. So this is going to be a nice one to have because we have a lot of books, but they tend to gravitate towards the Usborne books. So that one. And here's this one called Can I Join Your Club? So I'm guessing this one is just kind of about including others in your group. I'll have to read it sometime in the future with our girls. So just very colorful pages here. So that one. And let's see what else we have in here. Some Usborne Books store welcoming you to the Usborne team. There's this one, Football All-Stars. I will say we are not big sports fans, but I do have some nephews, and I'm sure this can be gifted to somebody if they are into football. So all the football players you could imagine. So I won't too much on that. So if you have football fans, this might be the one for you. And then this one is called That's a Job? I Like Animals. What jobs are there? So this one would be perfect for our 8-year-old, almost 8-year-old, because she has been saying for the past several years that she wants to be a veterinarian. She loves animals. So This is just talking about like a wildlife conservationist, pet portrait artist, pet photographer. So just different jobs that you can do with animals. So that might give her some other ideas besides veterinarian if she decides that she still wants to work with animals in the future. Let's see. What's this one? I think this is, I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the catalog from July to December 2021. So I don't think a lot of people have seen this yet. So it goes in different categories: early learning, picture books. We love nibbles. I will probably do a video on the nibbles books. So those ones are fun. So this is going to be a great resource to hand out to people, and I'm actually going to have my almost 8-year-old look through this and give me some ideas, because our first party is going to be making a wish list for her so that friends and family can look on the wish list and see which books she wants and get them for her birthday coming up. So this is a great gift idea: birthdays, Christmas time, Easter, all the holidays. So I figured this would be a great opportunity for me to get some more books for our house, but also be able to get some books for our friends and family as well. Let's see what this one is. I think this is like a full catalog of everything. So, ooh, these ones look really fun. I know that these are definitely going to be on our daughter's list. Magic painting books, anything arts and crafts. I'm not a huge fan of arts and crafts because it's messy, but they like it, so we do that because they like it. And that is my mini kit for the fall 2021 Usborne consultant box. So I'm excited to start this new adventure and share the gift of literacy with all of you. I am still thinking of some sort of creative name that I can do, like a weekly or bi-weekly or maybe monthly, talking about the different books that Usborne has, because I have like What to Make It Monday, and I have Wellness Wednesday, I have Transformation Tuesday or Tip Tuesday. So comment below if you have any fun, creative names that I could use to talk about books on a specific day of the week. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are interested in learning more about Usborne Books and how you can become a consultant as well for your family. And comment below any fun names you have for my book sharing and which book you or your kids would like. I'll see you next time.